May tanong ako, masasaktan ka ba kung hindi mo mahal yung tao? I believe 90% of you will answer, hindi. Kasi kung hindi mo naman mahal, kung wala kang pakialam, hindi ka masasaktan kung kahit paano yung gawin niya. Right? Ngayon ganito, kapag niloko ka ng isang tao, tingin mo mahal ka ba ganito? The obvious answer is no. Kasi kung totoong mahal ka ng tao, para yung may tapa-oo. Alam mo yun, ikaw lang yung maganda, ikaw lang yung pogi, nasa iyo lahat ng attention ko. Parang pag nagsisimula pa lang kayo, right? It means committed sa'yo yung tao. Of course, may mas maganda pa sa'yo. Yung Miss Universe nga, naloloko, ikaw pa kaya. Mayroong mas hihigit sa'yo, di ba? But the question is, hahayaan ko bang masaktan yung taong mahal ko? Obviously, alam kong masasaktan siya kasi ganda ng ngiti niya. Tapos, ang bang-bang niya, sexy. Tapos, ang lambing niya mag-chat. Biruin mo, may good morning ka na, may good night ka pa, umaga pa lang. Mga ganun, dahil lang doon, dadalhin ko yung sarili ko sa sitwasyon na yun, na makakagawa ako ng isang bagay na alam kong masasaktan yung partner ko, yung nanay ng anak ko, na mahal ko. Hindi. Hindi yun gagawin ng taong mahal ka. Ngayon, ibig sabihin, kung hindi ka mahal ng tao, hindi mo masasaktan yung tao. Tama man eh. Tama, right? Kasi hindi siya apektado sa gagawin mo. Ngayon, marami nagko-comment dito. And I respectfully agree, that's another option. Hindi ko naman kayo pwedeng pigilan kung gusto nyo gumante the way it seems to be na parang masasaktan mo yung taong nangloko sa'yo by doing the same thing na ginawa niya sa'yo. So, para lintik lang ang walang ganti. Right? Ngayon, ang problema ganito. Nasabi ko na to before, pero do you think you can hurt them by doing the same thing that they did to hurt you? I believe the answer is no. Hindi nila pagdadaanan yung sakit na naramdaman mo sa nangyari. Kung mahal na mahal mo yung tao, I don't think you can do that. This is just my personal opinion. I don't think you can, like, for the sake of, ay, sobrang galit ako. Oh, fuck, come on. I don't know. You did it for something na, I just can't imagine na gagawin mo yun. Like, I don't recommend that personally. Hindi because I don't know, bahala ako isip. But I don't recommend that personally is because you just prove to them that you're not, hindi ka dapat talagang seryosohin. I mean, I don't know if it will offend a lot of people, but this is just my personal opinion about the topic na gagawin niyo yun. Especially, your mother. Oh my God. Like, that's being immature. Imagine mo, yung tatay ko ng babae, yung nanay ko gumante ng lalaki. Wow, I have a perfect family. Alright. I don't know, it's just that it makes sense to me na ganon. I mean, kaya ako nabanggit to is because I read this comment and revenge is neutral. It's neither be good, it's neither bad. It depends on what you do. And gusto kong basahin tong comment na to na totally makes sense. Just really like it.